Wow, what a great day. It is finally Friday. When I get home from school, I will get to play Fortnite for the whole weekend.
Caillou, wake up. It is 7:40 in the morning, and I do not want you to be late for school. You currently have 3 unexcused tardies, and if you get one more, you will be put in ISS again, resulting in you being grounded.
Okay, Dad.
No, do not roll your eyes at me. That's it. I will now refuse to give you breakfast today.
Can you believe what just happened? My dad woke me up at 7:40 and I was almost late for school. If I were late, I would have been grounded again. Bruh, that is so dumb. Your dad is crazy. I know, right? I might need to start putting on an alarm if I want to start going to school on time. At school. I cannot believe you are actually falling asleep in class. What happened? My brother, AsianDude123, was up all night in a Discord VC with the goose. He was screaming very loudly and I could not fall asleep.
No! Stop calling me a computer nerd.
Oh god. That sounds very exhausting. Yeah, I am considering getting some gamer noise-canceling headphones. I wonder where the teacher is. It has been 1 second.
Hello, class. Today is a very special day. It is time to meet the new class pet. Come here, bird. Come.
I am here. Tweet.
Hello, bird. It is time to introduce yourself to the class.
Yay. We got a class pet. Yes. I'm not so sure about this, Caillou. It looks a little bit off.
The first student to meet the new class pet will be AsianDude123. AsianDude123, please stand at the front to meet the new class pet.
Hello, AsianDude123. It is very nice to meet you. Now, we will be together forever. Tweet. I love you. Oh no! What have you done?
Ooh, AsianDude123, how dare you kiss the class pet? Now, you are in big trouble. I will be sending you to the principal's office so that you can be put in OSS. Hello, AsianDude123. Today, I have received a message from Mrs. Martin saying that you have kissed the class pet. That action which you have done is extremely disrespectful.
I am sorry, Principal Dilly. I promise to never do such a slanderous thing ever again.
It is nice to know you are willing to apologize. Unfortunately, I have no choice but to put you in OSS due to how unacceptable your behavior was today.
Oh no! The bird's trigger has gotten me into deep trouble.
You have kissed your class pet. That is very disgusting. I will go turn into your father right now so he can ground you. AsianDude123, you have kissed your class pet. That's it. I will be putting you into a punishment day.
Oh no. I do not want to be put into a punishment day.
Punishment number 1, setting the kitchen on fire. Punishment number 2, being slapped by Mahatma Gandhi. punishment. Number 3. Unsubscribing from MusicManJoe.
I cannot believe this. I have lost 1 subscriber. When I find out who has done this, I will turn them into Sara from Super Mario on Scratch 6 Enlightened.
Punishment. Number 4. Receiving a Barney error on your computer. And for your 5th and final punishment, you will be grounded. AsianDude123. How dare you kiss the class pet? That's it. You're grounded for 8762987659823476097 years. Go to your room right now. No, I cannot do this anymore.